everybody, you are also Poopy. Alright,
hey,
sorry.
You stupid nit.
Now, today we're going to be playing Disassembly 3D Ultimate Stereoscopic Destruction. Now, we got a couple of stuff. I'm only going to be doing 3 for this video. And it's going to be the side table, the lamp, and the speaker. Oh yeah, and I also have my friend Kaden. And I also got my friend Kaden here. Say hi.
Hi. You guys remember me from that last video?
That was on Adnia's account, bro. You weren't in any of my previous videos. What? It's on. Dude, the mic is on.
Wow.
It's not that interesting.
How about you think about their freaking house?
You can't.
You are poo.
The game is.
Oh yeah, we're not poo.
Anyway, also there's some news. Kaden got a girlfriend.
Yep, her name is Lisa and she's thick.
Well, let's be honest, you are right.
Yo, get with my girl.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm actually just confirming it. Because it is true. Da da da. What the heck, dude? You're weird.
Finally got a girlfriend in 5 or no, 7 years, guys.
Oh my god. You're still 7?
No, I'm.
Oh my god.
No, bruh, I'm freaking 12.
Alright. Well,
I mean, you're 10.
No, I'm not. I'm 11, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, no, I'm never mind. I don't know how I'm forgetting my age. But I am 12, just like him. Whee!
Yeah, so we're both 12.
Lori.
You guys want to see Gordon Ramsay?
No. What do you mean, do you guys want to see Gordon Ramsay? Bro, you're weird.
You are poo.
Remember
That we're not poo.
Yes,
Guys,
so
I gooned in a potato.
I said we're never talking about that again. Seriously. And my videos are completely soundproof. I don't want them knowing that we gooned in potatoes. Hopefully the audience can't hear what we're talking about. Anyway, guys, just I feel like now's a good time to tell you, subscribe to my channel and like the video.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Just subscribe. Just like and subscribe. It's optional though.
You don't really have to. He's new, so he really needs it.
Not that new, but we.
Did you just freaking? Did you just? Did I just? Did you just get him on that?
I think so. My sister knows.
Is she here?
Oh wait, no. Also, guess what?
What?
If you click this little arrow, then something happens. I don't actually know. You can use guns and stuff?
Wow.
Nah. Okay, let's not use that yet.
Yeah, we're gonna use that on the speaker.
we're not gonna be doing. Wait, are we?
Yeah, you said you were doing 3.
First 3.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I already broke the game. Guys, I'm sorry, but I already broke the game.
Oh my god.
This
bro.
thing is stuck in the thing. I've already broken the game.
Oh yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Let's use the freaking AK machine.
Nah, we don't need to use the AK yet.
I don't even think we have an AK. That's not an AK either.
Oh yeah, we do have a shotgun.
Yo, 12 gauge.
Grenade. C4.
Oh my gosh, let's
I
use
didn't-
the lighter. Let's use the lighter.
Nah. Let's not. Remember, we're not gonna use any of the.
Poopy light.
No.
Whoa, you can fly.
I've always been able to. I can break the glass.
The freaking window.
I'll just use this pistol.
Yo,
Wait, no, this
I
is
think
a
it's
Glock.
an Eagle.
Yeah, no, this is a Glock.
12 or something.
Oh wait. Oh.
Oh, window.
How do you go down? Cookie, 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 cookie,
Like this video on a cookie.
dookie. You're dookie. You're where dookie is.
It broke.
Wee. What?
Whoa, it aimed at you.
The
Wait,
gun was like, "What you trying to do?"
Wait, do it again. With the shotgun. That's his back.
Doopity 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 doo.
That actually damaged
Oh,
me.
yeah, it did. Dang, that's cool.
Throw another ball. Oh. Oh, the C4 actually. Shoot the...
Oh. I guess I'm falling to the mountains,
Forever.
to the beautiful mountains. I didn't know you could die in this game.
What the heck, bro?
That was a weird dying sound. Huh?
We're still making the video.
Yeah, I know. I know that. You
Now let's
poopy.
shoot the heck out of this.
Oh, wait. Hehehehe.
Wait, throw it inside of it.
That's what I was gonna do, poopy.
Remember, we're not poopy.
I know. You did a bad job, Mr. Bomb. The grenade is probably better than you. It didn't even do anything. It didn't even do anything, bro.
Then why do we even have... Yeah, use the shotgun. Oh!
To the wall.
And that. Wait, does it run out in your hand?
No. No, I don't think so.
Oh,
Oh, wait, can't I just...
put C4 in it.
I don't know how to work the C4. I'll give it a try.
And then press the... You gotta shoot it.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe.
Probably not gonna work though. Pistol would be good. What the hell? It's gonna explode immediately. Oh, did nothing. Turn the lighter on.
What the? Stupid C4.
I guess you press it again.
Wait.
Wait, so you put it down and then press the...
What if I put it on the glass?
and then put a lot more.
You can't.
Bruh.
This is strong glass, bro. More C4!
And then put a bomb down.
If this doesn't break it, then I don't know what will.
Go back.
Oh yeah, good idea. Yeah, no, this is not glass. This is straight titanium, bro.
Whoa, dude, you have some cool clothes.
Why are you looking at my clothes? Don't look in the top left one. That's my underwear drawer.
Ooh.
Pop it. Pull it. Extend it. Load it.
Look at it. Just kidding.
Aim it. Shoot it. Explosive bullet.
Explosive bullets.
This is... bruh. Outkeep.
You're a little turd just like me.
Yeah, I was just a little tiny turd.
Yeah, by the way, guys, we were turds when we were little.
Yeah. Sorry.
You guys feel sorry for us or what?
Wee. All right. Well. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more of, whoa, that is bright. If you want to see more, dude, it doesn't. Now you just ruined the video, dude. We'll just cut that out. If you want to see more of, stop. If you want to see more of Disassembly 3D, then subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna stare at the sun for an hour now.